Okay, I'm walking to my door and listen to this rain. It sounds so good. I wish it could snow. That'd be beautiful. Look at that rain. You could just hear it. At least my plant's getting wet a little bit. I'm gonna step outside. Look at that rain. Let's get close. Focus. Just look at it. Yeah, baby. I'm getting a little rain. Getting a little rain. I'm loving it. Look at it. Just falling through. Yeah, thank you. A lot of people went to heaven if they passed away. That's what they say. God bless anybody's soul passed away today. And all the ones that are still living, bless our souls too. Yeah, still the holiday. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. I'm enjoying the rain today. And I'm going to make me some breakfast this morning. Yes, I am. Coming on inside. And how beautiful it look out the window. Look at that. And look at the grass. It's coming up, but it need to be cut. Looking nice, y'all. Looking nice. Yep, I'm going to be taking my tree down a little bit after January. And I'm going to take my little tree down and all that good stuff and get my house back in order. I might keep my tree up for Valentine's and make a Valentine tree out of it. I don't know. You know, I'm wishy-washy, so I really don't know. But anyway, Happy New Year's. Be safe in this beautiful rain. Sounding so good. You can just hear it. Look at that rain. Just look at it. It's really coming down. I'm loving it. Happy New Year's.